Does no contact work after a breakup? Let's face it, having absolutely zero contact with your ex whilst you're going through heartache is tough. In fact, it can feel like torture. You're checking your phone every 5 minutes wondering if you should just send them a text message. So you want to know that it'll be worth it in the end. If you're trying to stick to the no contact rule and are looking for guaranteed results, in this article you'll learn exactly why the no contact rule works. Does no contact work? Yes, for these 12 reasons. 1. It gives you time to clear your head. There's no denying that after a breakup emotions are high. Be honest, right now, you're probably feeling a bit all over the place, right? No contact is a technique that is effective because it helps people to stop thinking about each other and allows them to focus on themselves. It might feel challenging, but it's a constructive way of dealing with a painful situation. After a breakup, you tend to experience a really wide range of confusing and sometimes conflicting emotions. That's a lot to deal with for anyone. The reality is that you need some time and space to get your head straight again. No matter what happens afterward, you'll be in a far better position to handle it. Talking to, texting, checking up on, or meeting up with an ex might seem like it gives you some short-term relief from the pain you're going through. But it will only mess with your head. In the long run, finding the discipline to stay away will offer you rewards to reap that set you up for success in the future. No contact is all about choosing long-term solutions over short-term fixes. The big problem with short-term fixes is that you'll only wind up back where you started sooner or later. 2. It gives you time to focus on yourself. I totally get it. Right now, you probably can't stop thinking about your ex. It's normal, but the reality is that you need to be thinking more about yourself. And no contact can really help you to do that. Think of this time during no contact as a timeout. You can't see or talk to your ex, so you may as well place your full energy on yourself. Showing yourself some love and attention is exactly what you need. Rather than obsessing about your ex, try to think about your goals, ambitions, and desires in life. It's not only the perfect distraction, but it's also going to speed up the healing process and boost your self-esteem. Time focusing on yourself can be anything from having a pamper day, to binge watching your favorite show, to spending time on your hobbies or hanging out with friends. 3. Want advice specific to your situation? While this article will tell you everything you need to know about the no contact rule after a breakup, it can be helpful to speak to a relationship coach about your situation. With a professional relationship coach, you can get advice specific to your relationship and the issues you've gone through with your ex to reach this point. Relationship Hero is a site where highly trained relationship coaches help people through complicated and difficult love situations, like getting your ex back. They're a very popular resource for people facing this sort of challenge. How do I know? Well, I reached out to them a few months ago when my ex and I broke up. I wasn't sure if the no contact rule would work, but my coach helped me figure out how to best get through to my ex using this approach and other incredibly useful techniques. I was blown away by how kind, empathetic, and genuinely helpful my coach was. In just a few minutes, you can connect with a certified relationship coach and find out the best approach for you when it comes to dealing with your ex. Take the free quiz and get matched with a coach today. 4. It gives